Hi, hi, hi. Ngizoyenza i-trade bias nje ukubonisa i-daily bias. So as you can see, previous day's candle bullish valley above the previous day's candle. So my target for today is bullish, going for the wick because le body say it's already been tapped into there. So nakona nala same thing on the GBP side. So go on to the um going to the hourly to see any bullish confirmation. Mara bekungana bullish confirmation to the upside yabona, so no trade for now. Ngizomela NY just to see what's going to happen because this is London session. Maybe NY will also give some bullish setups yabona. So thank you guys, sharp.